lies ahead for the synergy between people and technology? Yamaha developers delve into this topic with the Motoroid II. This innovative model builds on a concept from approximately 6 years ago, incorporating modern trends like AI algorithms and face recognition. Motoroid II maintains balance due to the swing arm and rear wheel functioning independently of the main body. Additionally, Motoroid II has been programmed to operate without a rider, performing with such precision that one could even dance with it. It is also noted that it can identify certain gestures. However, Yamaha's promotional page has yet to clarify the method for controlling the motorcycle without handlebars. Makani is a kite designed for generating electricity. After 7 years of development, the creators of Manan went from making a 20 kilowatts prototype to having a fully functional industrial kite producing approximately 600 kW at one point. Google acquired the Manan project. However, in 2019, the company stopped funding it. And in February 2020, MAN was discontinued by Alphabet's parent company. The operation of the Manan kite is quite straightforward, though it ascends to a height of around 300 to 400 meters and moves in circles, producing electricity through its rotors. A tether connects it to a ground station to transmit the generated power. Manan needs wind speeds of 31/2 meters per second or higher for launching the 600 kW it generates, which can supply electricity to approximately 30 households. Up next in today's lineup is a project by the Russian company Hoversurf, which is busy working on a futuristic flying car. One of its standout features is the use of engines based on the Venturi effect. These engines are designed without propellers, making them quieter, more compact, and safer compared to their counterparts. Furthermore, an air cab with these engines is designed without propellers, making them quieter, more compact, and safer compared to their counterparts. Moreover, an air cab with these engines can easily fit into a standard parking spot, and for a flying ambulance, the speed of 250 km will come in handy. It's anticipated that a full battery charge will provide approximately half an hour of flight time, and recharging it will take just 40 minutes with a Tesla fast charger. A new qule is an extraordinary screen dress creation. Having previously collaborated on a collection for Audi, this Dutch designer also designs screen dresses. And what is captivating is that its elements are 3D printed. Furthermore, you can literally control the dress with your mind. The dress's screens change their patterns based on signals from the wearer's brain, captured through an electroencephalogram. Additionally, the dress adapts to the distinctive brain activity of each individual. Most impressive is that the dress functions using an inexpensive single-board computer, the Raspberry Pi Z. Artificial intelligence plays a crucial role in imagining future technologies. It has the ability to design and describe almost any device, including hoverboards. Although it might sound like a novelty, several functional hoverboards already exist. Consider this example from Lexus in 2015. Did the future arrive back then? Lexus managed to create a working hoverboard by employing a clever technique. They constructed a specialized skate park embedded with metal plates beneath the surface. The hoverboard itself is equipped with powerful magnets and superconductors, which are cooled to -197 degrees Celsius using liquid nitrogen. This unique setup allows the hoverboard to float and glide smoothly over the skate park. with ongoing efforts to develop Autoliv e-scooter airbag hoverboards. These devices may one day be as common as electric scooters are now. The Swedish company Autoliv, known for pioneering two-point seatbelts in 1953, focuses on enhancing road safety. Autoliv proposes airbags to protect scooter riders, skaters, and other vulnerable road users. One airbag attaches to the scooter or other transport modes, while another is installed on cars near the windshield. This dual airbag system offers optimal protection even in head-on collisions, though mass production has not yet been announced. Autoliv's innovative approach underscores their commitment to improving road safety. By leveraging their expertise, they aim to safeguard individuals in urban environments. Relief for those who spend extended hours in front of a computer has come from Hong Kong inventor Louis Hang, who has created the Easi monitor. This innovative display uses natural light for illumination. From the front, the 24-inch monitor looks like a conventional one, but on the back, Hang has integrated a light collector and reflector. While it isn't ideal for working in the dark without an additional lamp, it offers significant benefits during the day. Not only does it reduce eye strain, but it also cuts down on energy consumption, with the monitor using only 4 watts of power. Hang has successfully launched this product on Kickstarter and plans to deliver the monitors to supporters next year. Each monitor is priced at $569, promising a cost-effective and eye-friendly solution for daily computer users. The American team Fluid Reality has ventured into the future with their XR glove prototype. The term XR encompasses all technologies related to virtual, augmented, and mixed reality. Fluid Reality's team is striving to innovate with these gloves, which feature tactile pixels on the fingertips. Impressively, they have included up to 20 of these pixels per square centimeter. Each pixel functions as a small hydraulic pump with no moving parts, operating via an electric field. These pumps create tiny bubbles within the pixels, providing a sensation of pressure for the wearer. The creators are optimistic that, if released, these gloves will be priced at $1,000 for consumers, making them 5 times more affordable than similar products from other manufacturers. Project Silica is a Microsoft technology that stores data in quartz glass wafers. While it might sound like something from a science fiction film, it is a real and functional innovation developed by Microsoft. They report that a small 75 by 2 mm quartz plate can store up to 75.6 gigabytes of data. By using a laser to create tiny 3-dimensional patterns, they record data that can later be retrieved. This system relies on artificial intelligence algorithms. These quartz plates are incredibly durable, resisting scratches, magnetic fields, and even boiling temperatures. The data stored on them can last for approximately 10,000 years. Microsoft envisions using these plates in cloud servers. Motorola has a history of Motorola adaptive display concept innovation. At the Lenovo Tech World 2023 event, the company revealed an interesting prototype of a flexible smartphone. It's so bendable that it can be wrapped around your wrist. This offers a compelling package, a smartphone that doubles as a smartwatch, eliminating the need for a phone stand. You can now enjoy videos hands-free during lunch or in its regular form. The screen measures 6.9 inches diagonally when bent, reducing to 4.6 inches in its folded state. Whether this innovative smartphone will enter mass production remains uncertain. However, Motorola previously showcased a similar concept in 2016, indicating a consistent interest in this idea within the company. The Japanese have developed a massive SR-02 walking machine roughly the size of an automobile. This colossal 3.4-meter-long marvel can comfortably accommodate 4 passengers. The company specializing in entertainment attractions engineered it deliberately for this purpose. Dubbed SR2, the robot moves at a leisurely pace but can crouch, pivot in place, and bring delight to both spectators and riders. It can be operated remotely. While it's not quite on par with the walkers from Star Wars, similar robotic innovations may soon populate amusement parks. Perhaps future iterations will surpass its impressive 1.9-meter stature. A sturdy foundation isn't only useful for mobile fire extinguisher gatherings and noisy vehicles. Surprisingly, it can also serve to extinguish fires. Scholars from George Mason University in the United States have developed a sound-based fire suppression device. While the concept isn't novel, their device is small and performs admirably, effectively extinguishing flaming alcohol during trials. The optimal method involves utilizing sound frequencies ranging from 30 to 60 Hz. The students invested just $600 in the initiative, intending to affix these fire suppression devices onto unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs. Many people desire to relocate not just their belongings, but their entire residence when they move. Tidros Todd, Tartee, a company based in New Zealand, offers trailers specifically designed for this purpose. One of their trailers can extend up to an impressive 23 meters in length and has a formidable weight capacity of 58 tons. These trailers feature double axle steering and a torsional box system, enhancing strength by 40%. Each wheel is equipped with its own hydraulic jack, enabling the trailer to be lowered to ground level or elevated to a height of approximately 2.8 meters. The operator can conveniently control the trailer using a remote control. This advanced design ensures that moving a home is not only possible but also efficient and manageable. Meanwhile, the American company Matador has introduced a convenient and compact stuff sack that can be easily attached to your keychain, retailing for $17. This product is perfect for individuals who frequently go to the pool or beach and need a practical way to keep their belongings dry before and after swimming. The stuff sack is designed to store your smartphone, wallet, and other items that should remain dry, making it ideal for holding a swimsuit, swim trunks, and other wet items after a swim. With a capacity of 2.5 liters and a weight of just 23 grams, it's both lightweight and spacious. Crafted from durable nylon, the sack features a silicone body for the case, ensuring water resistance and durability. Another innovative and indispensable solution is the Miller Safe Escape, designed for safe descents from considerable heights, particularly ideal for high-rise installers. This device can support weights of up to 250 kilograms and comes equipped with a robust 50-meter rope. It facilitates a controlled descent at a speed of 1 meter per second, ensuring safe and efficient use. Operating reliably in temperatures ranging from 50 degrees Celsius to -50 degrees Celsius, the Miller Safe Escape guarantees performance even in diverse environmental conditions.